With our Tekno EB48 2.0 complete, it's time to finish off the package with the most customizable part of all, the body. Just like my soldering, my RC body painting skills are lacking somewhat. If it were down to me, I'd most likely have spray painted one or two colours and layered on some decals from the included sheet. Fortunately, I was able to find a local talent with some impressive skills, and within a few days I was greeted with this, my final custom paint job. And seriously, the attention to detail on this thing is amazing. We have this honeycomb hex style design from the bottom, leading up to some nice mix of colours, and just take a look at those super sharp lines. Fantastic! We even have the Tekno logo painted directly onto the sides. There are no decals on this body just yet, and to be honest, I'm not sure it really needs any. I'm well happy with the outcome, and the quality is top notch. If you'd like to check out some more of the designs from UK-based N-Design, feel free to head over to their webpage, which I've placed a link to in the description box below. Not only do they cover RC buggies with some truly awesome designs here, we also have RC boats, as well as RC helicopters being catered for. As you can see from the lines and the general overall finish of my Tekno RC body, I'm well impressed. All that's left for now is to get this thing outside for some test runs.